Hey guys, it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. I have one more vintage Christmas haul to share with you guys. I planned to stop doing Christmas shopping, but I keep running into really cute vintage pieces, so I plan to put a lot of these in my eBay shop. A few of these pieces you would have seen in my Christmas home tour that just went up, so I found this red lantern that I thought was pretty cool. I did pay $6 for it. You know, not the best price, but I'm not sure if it's vintage. The brand says American Camper. There's not much paint wear on it, so I thought it was worth the $6. And then I also, at the same time, found a bag of these tiny glass ornaments. They're like a silver and frosty color, and I just thought they were really pretty. I think I paid like $1.50 for all of these. So I just put them inside of there. I don't use red often other than Christmas, so this will probably just be specifically for Christmas decor. And then I found this adorable vintage candle ring. This was $1.50, I think, and I really loved the tiny pine cones. And then the majority of the ones that I found before are missing pieces and they're just not in good shape, but I thought this one was really pretty. And then I found these adorable little elf boots, I think they are. I'm just going to be showing one, but I actually found 8 of them. And I think they were $1.99 a piece, but I'm going to be listing these on my eBay. I think they already are on there. Some of them do have a few like paint spots or few spots that have missing paint. And then the tag on the bottom is no longer readable, but I think I looked it up and I'm pretty sure they're by Napco-ware, if that's how you say it. So yeah, there's 8 of them, and I just thought they were really cute. I love the striped handle. They remind me of those little Santa mugs that everybody loves. So, and speaking of Santa mugs, I went by Goodwill today and I found 5 of these. They are all made in Japan. They are not in perfect condition. The majority of them have all of their paint off, so this one just looks like it's white, which I think is fine. And then he has a crack right here, if you can see that. But they all say Japan on the bottom. I paid 99 cents a piece, and I thought that was okay. But as you can see, some of them still have their paint in certain areas. And then this one and this one. These two, I find it really creepy that just a little bit of their eyes are showing. So I was thinking about scraping the rest of the paint off just so they were all matching. I know some people would say that that adds like vintage charm. I don't know, I just feel like the whole eye thing is kind of creepy, but let me know down below what you think. Here's the last one. They have a lot of crazing, and then like I said, a few of them do have some cracks up at the top. So I will be keeping these for myself. I have been trying to grow my vintage Santa mug collection, and if you've been watching my Christmas videos, you would see that I have recently found a few. And then I found a cute Frosty the Snowman mug. When I found him, he was in perfect condition. There was absolutely nothing wrong with his paint. He was looking great. And then I'm an idiot and I ran it through the dishwasher. I looked at it and it had this like really nice glaze on it, so I thought I think it can survive. And then I pulled it out and there is paint missing all over where like mainly the red pieces have come off. So that sucks that I've messed him all up, but for the most part he's still cute. I think his face is really adorable. I believe I paid $1 or $2 for him, but it says made in Taiwan on the bottom. It says celebrate the season, made in Taiwan. So then he has a little holly berry on his hat. I think he's cute. I'm just gonna do all the like dishware now. I got 2 of these Christmas mugs. Once again with the holly berry. I like these because I like the white and then the red and green like popping off of that. I just think it looks really good. And then they have a gold rim. And it says Arby's 1987 Christmas collection. I don't know if that's even gonna pick up on camera, but they were 79 cents a piece and they were 25% off. So I decided to just grab them and we'll just use these here for coffee around Christmas time. And then I found this entire thing of, I can't remember the name, the brand they were. It was SCIO or something like that when I looked it up on eBay. But it was only $6.50 and you get 4 plates, 7 saucers, and then 3 little teacups, I guess. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. I may list some of these, like maybe I'll list the plates online, or I may keep them for myself. I can't decide, but they're really heavy. I really love this holly berry design. Once again, I just think it has like a really nice vintage look to it. I'm not sure on a year about these. I didn't spend much time researching them yet. Then I found another one of these brass harps. No, this isn't a harp. Horn whatever. I have a few of these in my Christmas decor. I have a bigger one and then a smaller one. And there was a few times when I was doing another area of the house where I wish I had had another one. So that is why I grabbed this. However, I don't think I looked at the price because this thing was $3 and that is way too much. Looking back, I would not have paid $3 for this if I knew, or if I had paid attention. So, my fault, but I like that this one is a lot more tarnished. The other two that I have more of like a brighter gold color. So, it's whatever. It's still pretty. I'll use it. If you hear a shower in the background, he's in the shower. There's nothing I can do about it. Sorry. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my video. Then I found this really cute, it says made in Taiwan. It's like a little music sheet folded up like a fan. And I just thought it was really pretty. It actually came in the package unopened, and I took it out and put it on my tree already, but it was only $1. And I have sort of a music theme going on the tree. I have a few ornaments like that already. Okay, and then from Goodwill, I found this bag. It was only $2.99, and they're the little red wooden beads, like the garland that you see at Walmart, Hobby Lobby. I was gonna pick one up this year, but I didn't want to pay. I think they were like $6.99 or more, and I'm just too cheap for that. So I found one for $2.99, so that is really lucky of me. So I will definitely be using these next year. I wanted to drape it above my window where I have that garland in the living room. I thought it would look nice like there. So I may do that next year. I don't really like the look of it on my tree, so we'll see what I do with it, but I think I lucked out with this. Next up, I found this really cute tin, and I just loved the winter scene on it and the red barn. I thought it was so pretty, and then it has the picture on the sides as well. I wasn't able to find a place for it in my decor this year, so I'm just using it to store some little Christmas pieces. And it was only 99 cents, so isn't that scene so pretty? Speaking of pretty scenes, I'm going to go ahead and share a few little like oil paintings that I have. You would have seen all of these in my home tour, but I wanted to show them up close and share the price with you. This tiny thing right here is so cute to me. Whoever painted this did such a good job. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but look how tiny those brush strokes are and the little tiny details. I just think it's so pretty, and it was only $3, and it's just this canvas that they have framed. And then of course I'm glad that it's like a wood frame because that's more my style. And then I found this piece. This is not vintage or anything. It actually is supposed to light up, and you put like batteries in the back, and if you see up close, there are some little tiny like light bulbs that would light up, whatever. I ripped the little backing off, and I'm just displaying it on the wall as is because it has a hanger as well. I only paid $1.91 for this, and once again, I love, love, love Christmas winter scenes. I think they're so pretty, so I had to get this. And then I think it would be cool to possibly find a frame that could fit it that's wooden like this, and that would look really good. Okay, and this one I'm obsessed with. I paid $7 for this, and I think that's absolutely fine because it is so pretty. This has to be one of my favorite finds of the year. I have it hanging on that little like antique wooden window frame on my wall in my living room that you would have seen in my home tour, my decorating videos. And I've decided that I think I'm just going to try to switch out different pictures like this for this season. So I have like a spring one that I could put up after this, but hopefully you can see just how pretty it really is. And then the back says 1977. I'm definitely going to be leaving this up past Christmas and into the winter season. I love laying on my couch and I just stare at this thing all day long. That's how much I love it. Now I'm going to move on to some ornaments. I found this entire bag for $4, and I'm going to go through it really quickly. I got so excited when I saw this on the shelf in the store. I didn't even look through it. I just saw this little angel and I threw it in my basket. So it has a couple of these little tree toppers. This one doesn't have any markings on it, but look at her little blue eyeshadow. Very like mid-century. And yeah, she's just like a cardboard. And I love her little candle. She's cute. I have this listed on my eBay if you're interested. My eBay is linked down below. And there was this tiny one. She's much smaller. Whoops. She is much smaller, as you can see. But her wings are like floppy and cute. And it says made in Japan on the back. And I just think their faces are so cute. And obviously she's a little choir angel. And then on the inside there's like some wire, I guess, to make it stick to your tree better. So both of those are listed on my eBay, like I said. And then the rest, I have it separated because I did list them in lots. I'm going to try to go through them really quickly. Not all of them are that great. So there's this flocked Santa, kind of like those little dancing Santas, but he has little ice skates. So I think he's pretty cute. And then there's 4 of these flocked doves, I believe, which most of them, their eyes are a little messed up. This one actually has a stick hanging out of it. I don't know why. And then there's this crazy googly-eyed little reindeer. I don't know if you can see his eyes. They just wiggle around. Like, how silly. This says made in Hong Kong, and then he has a little bell. He's flocked as well. So I will have all of these listed in a lot. And then I have one more flock Santa that I'll show you in a little bit that I'll probably throw in with this. And then the rest of it is stuff that I'm not too interested in. There is some tree ribbon. Is that what you call this? Wired ribbon. And then this one's pretty cute. It's a little Frosty the Snowman with a house and a tiny tree. There are 3 of these, I don't know what you call these, just little ornaments. A cute bell with some, I think, mistletoe hanging out the bottom of it. I believe this is a paper mache mouse. I think it's cute how one of his ears is like stuck under his hat and then the other one's kind of hanging out. And look at his curly little tail. And it says made in Taiwan on the back. These cool little beaded wreaths. Drum, and I don't know what this is supposed to be, a lantern maybe. And there's 2 of these sort of satin wrapped red ornaments, and they are kind of coming loose, so I don't want to touch them. So yeah, all of those I have listed in a lot on eBay as well. And then in the bottom of the bag, there's just a ton of these like strawberry ornaments. There's these sort of like frosted ones. And then these darker red strawberries with polka dots. So yeah, I thought that was a fun bag to look through, and all that stuff only cost me $4, so I think that's a really great deal. Okay, this next item I love so much. I cannot keep it because, well, I can keep it, but I don't have use for it. I have a round table, and this is for a long rectangle table, but I'm not going to be able to really show you very well. It is a vinyl, I think, tablecloth, and it's got that like flannel material on the inside, but I love, love, love the little Santas. Their face is so cute. Like, this is the epitome of the type of Santa I like. He's so jolly, and he's got that like vintage vibe. One of them is holding a candy cane, and then this one's holding a candle. And then in the center of the tablecloth, it has tiny little Santa heads and some holly berry. So I have this listed on my eBay as well. Like I said, I might as well try to resell it because I don't have any way to use it here. But I paid $2.50 for it, and it's listed for like $13, I think. So if you want to get it, go to my eBay. And really quickly, I want to share a few pieces that were actually sent to me by a subscriber. Her name is Sandra. She emailed me and asked if she could send me a few gingerbread themed pieces that she wasn't using anymore. So of course I said yes. So thank you so much to Sandra for sending me these things. I think they're adorable. There is a wooden Santa, and he's holding some gingerbread. This has like all of this has like a very vintage country Christmas vibe to me. So I like that he's wooden. And then there's this really cute, I don't know what this material is, like almost like a craft paper, like a brown paper bag. Gingerbread, but he is painted like a snowman. And I think that's so cute. And I love when things have this like curly wired hanger. And then this adorable dish towel. And then this sort of like, I guess it was like a paint can maybe. I don't know, but it's a can. And then it has this really cute gingerbread man. I think this is also kind of like a craft paper, but look at its cute buttons and face. And then once again with this little wired hanger. So yeah, thank you so much to Sandra for sending me this stuff. I can't wait to find a place for that in my home decor, or in my Christmas decor next year. Okay, and the last bag I'm going to share with you, I purchased at the same thrift store, and I walked in and everything was 50% off in the whole store, and they had a ton of Christmas stuff out. So I paid $4 and some change for everything I'm about to show you. I grabbed this bag filled with these sort of like plushy stockings. I have no idea how many are in here, but they look like this. They're made out of felt, and then I liked the candy canes on there. And I thought that it would be so fun to make a garland out of these for next year, because there's a ton with these little candy canes, and then a few of them have bells. Here's one. Has like a little bell on there. So I think that's going to make an adorable garland for next year. Then I found this piece. I have seen everybody and their mother find this at the thrift store, and they use them in their hot cocoa bars. So when I saw this, I was like, yep, I'm getting it, because I actually want to try to do a hot cocoa bar next year where I had that like Santa cookie jar in my kitchen. I just feel like that's a nice space to do like a small little hot cocoa bar. And he's cute. It's a little glass snowman. And I think it was Tara, I don't know how to say her name, but she has this one, and then I think there was a Santa one and a Christmas tree, and I just thought they looked so cute together, and I think she put marshmallows or peppermints inside of it. Anyways, I'm going to use this next year. And then I have another flocked Santa here with a very fluffy beard. He's holding a present. He has a stick sticking out of him. I don't understand the purpose of this. Is it for twisting onto your tree? Is it for a cake? I really don't know. But like I mentioned earlier, I'm probably going to throw this in with this lot on eBay. Or I might keep him. I don't know. He's pretty cute. And then I'm not sure what this is because there's no hanger. So I thought it was maybe an ornament, but it's a little scroll with music, with a music sheet on it. It says made in Taiwan. And it's pretty rough, but I wanted to go ahead and save it because it was getting like tossed around, and why not? I love to use music sheets, as I've already mentioned. So I thought this was really pretty, and I might try to make it into an ornament or just stick it in a vignette somehow. And then I found this, it looks like vintage, Michael's fabric ribbon, and I thought it was really pretty. But I've seen Nicole Northgarden, she says she uses vintage ribbon as risers for her decor, and then it also doubles as something like pretty. And I thought that was a great idea. I will link Nicole's channel down below. I'm pretty sure you're probably already subscribed to her, but just in case, go ahead and check her out because she has a ton of vintage Christmas decor, and it's amazing. But yeah, this seems like it has never been used. It still has the sticker, and I just think it's really pretty. So I'll probably do that and use it as a little riser in a vignette. Okay, and then I found a salt and pepper shaker set. It says made in Japan. So there's a Santa and then a little, I guess his like bag with presents in it, and they're labeled. This one says Santa, but there's like quotations around the S for, I guess, salt, and then this one for pepper. This one is actually missing its stopper, but I feel like that's an easy thing to replace. And then if you can tell, it is stamped. It does have Japan on the bottom, so I'll probably list these on my eBay. And that's really it. I got a little like storage organizer bin. This is actually, it says for Yankee candles, but I thought this would be easy to store like more delicate ornaments in. So that was included. And then I found this really pretty striped box with some tissue paper, just because I knew it would cost pretty much nothing. So all that stuff was only $4.31, I think. So definitely glad I stopped by that thrift store. Okay, so that is all of the vintage Christmas stuff I have to share with you for today. Like I said, I'm hoping this is my last one because I really do need to put a halt on the Christmas shopping. Comment down below what your favorite item was. I think mine is still definitely the winter scene picture and then the Santa tablecloth I love so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!